I just made this super simple, easy shop boom arm. You've probably seen all kinds of amazing boom arms out there that can move in all kinds of different directions. But I didn't need anything that complicated. I just wanted a boom arm that could do 5 simple things. Number 1, I wanted to have a place to hang my dust collection hose. I love this thing, but there's not a lot of room in here, and I really wanted to get this hose up off the floor and out of the way. Number 2, I wanted to get my extension cord up off the floor. Extension cords can be a great way to get electricity around the shop, but they can also be a trip hazard. If you trip on your cord, you might yank one of your tools down to the ground and possibly break it. Or you could possibly break yourself. And you don't want either one of those to happen. At least I don't. Number 3, I wanted to have a light over my table saw. I also use this thing as a workbench, and it's really nice to have a little extra light over here. I got this thing connected to a power strip right here, so I can just turn the switch on and off. And this is just a cheap little shop light. It's got hinges on here so I can move it in any direction, and then just turn it on when I need it. How cool is that? Number 4, I wanted to have a place to hang up commonly used items. These are my 3M Bluetooth headphones. These are great for listening to music while I'm working and for protecting my ears. The problem is I'm always setting them on top of things and they're always in the way. Now, when I'm not using them, I can just set them up here on the shop rail. How cool is that? I also have a place to put my dust mask. A lot of times if you can't find your dust mask, you're not likely to use it. But using a dust mask can really be helpful. I get a lot of sinus issues and putting this thing on really helps. With my dust mask right up here and easy to find, I'm a lot more likely to use it. Same with the safety glasses and the hearing protection. So safety first. Plus I got a place to put my hat. It's nice to have a place to hang your hat up. Number 5, with social media being as popular as it is today, I like to have a way to film my projects in the shop. Tripods can be great, but they take up a lot of space. And in a small shop, they can really get in the way. Especially this one here. So I added this DIY mount for my GoPro camera. I just got it mounted right up here, and then I can move it all around to wherever I need to go on the rail. To take this thing to another level, I added a helmet extension arm that I got from my GoPro accessory kit. So that way I can move this thing in all different kinds of directions. And then if I want to record my work area, I can just tilt the camera up like that. I can just move the camera like this, and then I can record whatever I'm working on down here. So now I have a really cool camera mount that can be moved in all kinds of directions. I have another shop boom arm back here as well, and I plan on adding some more cameras and lights and accessories back here too. So yeah, that's my super simple shop DIY boom arm. I'm going to post some more videos as I start to level up my setup. So remember to like and subscribe.